morning, guys. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. You guys can tell by the title, and because I just jumped right into it, I need to do a quick clean car with me. And right from the get-go, look at what I found in my car. If you didn't notice, there were banana peels. This is so disgusting and embarrassing. That had gone moldy. Banana peels that had gone moldy on my floorboard, and I had literally no idea until I started filming. I'm not going to cut it out. I'm just going to show you. I had a moldy banana. Like, that's disgusting. Anyway, moving past that, I wasn't doing anything too crazy on this day. I just needed to get some of the trash out, vacuum it out a little bit, try to make it smell a little bit better, apparently get moldy bananas out of my car, stuff like that. Nothing too fancy. In the beginning, I was like, I'm gonna clean this like super in depth. What am I trying to say? I'm gonna like deep clean it. I don't know what I'm trying to say. And then I just decided not to, but I hope you guys enjoy. Yeah, not the most satisfying video in the world, but that's okay. I realized I didn't clean out the inside of this middle console. This is all the crap that was in my car, which actually isn't too bad. It's usually worse. Anyways, I've shared this with you guys before. I like to keep some emergency things in my car, if you will. Germex, an extra water bottle, you never know. But I always keep this pouch in my car full of goodies, if you will. So I just had some wet wipes in there, had some alcohol prep pads and some Band-Aids because you never know when you're going to need those. some Hims body lotion, some mouthwash in case your breath stinks. You never know, even though we wear masks. Some tissues. This is Landon's Chewy if he starts to have a bad day or a bad time. That calms him down. A lighter. I don't smoke, but you never know when you're going to need a lighter. A couple of pens. These are all have a theme of you never know when you're going to need it, such as a hair tie. Lysol disinfectant spray. Probably won't ever use that, but again, we are in the midst of a pandemic. So, and I also have some chapstick. This next thing feels slightly illegal, so if it is, just go ahead and let me know. I have different meds in there, so Benadryl, cold medicine, ibuprofen, Tylenol, PM, Tums, migraine meds, all that good stuff, because I feel like I'm always looking for medicine in my car, or somebody's with me and they want medicine, so I just thought that would be convenient to keep in there. Don't worry, my kids don't have access to that. And again, it feels kind of illegal. I realized that when I was filming it, but it's not like a prescription med, so I'm not sure if it is illegal. YouTube probably would not monetize me saying this stuff right now, so just let me know. Anyways, I went ahead and started wiping off my car with what I thought was just a nice convenient little spray to clean your car off, but it was actually a protectant, and I realized it was making everything shiny and splotchy, and I quickly switched to those wet wipes to wipe everything down because I realized you need to put in effort if you're going to use that protectant because it was looking rough. The last thing I did was really quick go to, there's like an actual car wash as opposed to a fake one, I guess. I could redo this voiceover right now, but I'm not going to. There's a car wash down the road for me, so we went ahead and just went there. I did like a very mediocre job at vacuuming my car out, but even trying a little bit is better than nothing at all. Am I right? Editing, I felt like I was doing a good job till I started editing this, and I was like, well, Courtney, your car really isn't even that satisfying or clean. You didn't even clean the outside of it, girl. But to me, it feels much better. Again, let me remind you at the beginning of this video, there were in fact moldy bananas on my floorboard. Anyway, I went ahead and vacuumed it. I have this mini tiny cinnamon broom. It's so cute. It was $1 from the dollar store, so I went ahead and just put it in there because I don't know where else I was going to put it. Not super satisfying, but cleaner than it was. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.